Another What Sold video. Do you want to know what sold for me this week? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Stephanie from Three Queens Resale, and if you are new to my channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like, all the good things. And if you are a reseller bestie, thanks for coming back. It does mean the world to me as I work on building my positive YouTube community. So today's video is a what sold video, and I will go over what sold from December 7th through the 14th. So well, December 8th through the 14th, because I do my what solds in 7-day increments. Not necessarily like week 1, week 2, because I want to keep the month pure. So before I get into what sold, I do want to remind you to interact with this video. Give me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm really working on building my YouTube channel, and it has something to do with the algorithm. I'm not sure what, but I know from what I've read that when people interact with videos, they get pushed up, and then it makes it easier for other people to find my channel and join us, and then we can have more reseller besties. So do that. Go leave a comment and let's get into it. In the comment section, why don't you tell me what your highest selling item was this week, and we'll see what mine was. So starting with December 8th was a 0 sales day, so I'm like, ugh. Then December 9th, I had 3 sales. The first was this Hillary, let me move my book over so I'm not looking down. There's this Hillary Radley plaid tunic top. This was mine. It's a size extra large. I didn't wear it anymore, so I listed it. It sold for $15 after the $3 in fees and the $1.50 shipping discount. I was left with $10.50. It had been listed as part of my 1,000 item challenge back in November. Next was this Joseph A. Bank blazer, size 48 regular. It had been listed since October. It sold for $45, and after the $9 in fees and the $9 in fees, I was left with $36. And this item was one of my dad's items. And next was this weatherproof velvet button down, size extra large. This was returned today, so I will have to get it relisted, but it originally sold for $11, and after the $2.95 in fees, I was left with $8.05. And that had been listed since August, but I will have to get it relisted. Moving on to December 10th, there were 4 sales. The first is this alternative earth tank, size large. It sold for $19 to $3. After the $3.80 in fees, I was left with $15.20. My good friend Wendy, who I walk with a few times a week, bought this, even though she could have just came in my house and I would have given her this, but she wanted to support my Poshmark closet, and so if you want to support my Poshmark closet, it is linked down below. Three Queens Resale. If you mention you saw me on YouTube, I will give you a huge discount. So go check it out. Next up was this Banana Republic blue non-iron fitted shirt, size 4. It was part of my listing challenge. It sold for $12, and after the $2.95 in fees, I was left with $9.05. And then I had a bundle sale. It was this Apartment 9 size XL top, short sleeve top. These Steve Madden Wyatt ankle boots, which I had those a while. The Cynthia Raleigh blouse, size 1X. And then these Marona multicolor paisley print pants. Those are mine. and a new day extra large green tank that was also mine. So those items I sold, those 5 items to her for $30, and after the $6 in fees, I was left with $24. Then finally on Poshmark, this Alpine Swiss puffer vest 2XL sold for $15, and after the $3 in fees, I was left with $12, bringing my total for the 10th to $60.25. Saturday, December 11th, I sold this Puma Colts pullover large. It had been listed since October. It was one of my dad's items, so it sold for $18. After the $3.60 in fees, I was left with $14.40. Then on eBay, this Bagolini purse sold for $18. After the $2.34 in fees, I was left with $15.66. That brings December 11th total to $30.06. Sunday, December 12th, I had 4 sales. 4 sales. The first is this Old Navy Pixie Pant size 16. It was part of my listing challenge, so it was listed in November. It sold for $16 after the $3.20 in fees and the $1.50 shipping discount. I was left with $11.30. Then this Superga lace-up tennis shoes, size 12. They sold for $31, and after the $6.20 in fees, I was left with $1.50. And the $1.50 shipping discount, I was left with $23.30. Then another item of my dad sold. He had Hot Week. This Campus Heritage Indiana hoodie. My oldest daughter does go to Indiana University, so he'd had this for years before, but we always knew. So it was listed in October. It sold for $17 after the $3.40 in fees, the $1.50 shipping discount. I was left with $12.10. And then lastly was this Tommy Bahama long sleeve top. Oh, nope. I had 2 sales I had to cancel on this day because one on Mecari and one on Facebook Marketplace, because I had sold the listings and did not use the list perfectly to delete them. So I'm really working on cleaning that up. So that brought my total to $46.70. Those other 2 sales would have been another $45, so that was a bummer. Next, December 13th, which was a Monday. First was a Simply Vera brooch. It sold for $5, and after the $2.95 in fees, I made $2.05, and that was a consignment item from my consignee Krista. Next was this Lula B sleeveless pullover, blue and black, extra large. It was, I believe it was it was part of the listing challenge. It sold for $18 after the $3.60 in fees and the $1.50 shipping discount. I was left with $12.90. And then on Poshmark, this Under Armour camouflage hoodie small sold. It was also part of the listing challenge. It sold for $15. After the $3 in fees, I was left with it, and the $1.50 shipping discount, I was left with $10.50. Then our final day, December 14th, on Poshmark, this Free People tunic knit sweater sold, size medium, for $24. After the $4.80 in fees and the $1.50 shipping discount, I was left with $17.70. I like picking up Free People. I know other people are like, it's dead, but I did pick that up at the bins, and that was part of my listing challenge. Next on Poshmark was this Athleta Racerback tank, size extra small pink. It sold for $9, and after the $2.95 in fees, I was left with $6.05. I am not picking up any more workout tanks unless they are at the bins. They just don't flip for a lot. Next were these Crocs Light Stride Pacer sneaker. This was a unique sneaker. I picked it up at the bins. Um, it's been listed. It was listed in December. It sold within days of listing for $27. After the $5.40 in fees and the $1.50 shipping discount, I was left with 2010. So the weekly numbers, well, that Tuesday's total was 43.85. So the numbers for those 7 days, it was a very disappointing week. I only made $260.86. Keep in mind, all of my numbers are after fees and shipping discounts and cost of goods. So that put me at the month for $796.63. So I'm at 36% of my goal, which is $2,200. So I've really got to kick it into gear as we round out December. Total items this week sold were 18. The total for the month is 48. That puts me at 32% of my goal of 150 items sold. So I'm going to start sending out some offers, trying to move some things. And then my average sale price for this week was $14.49, so a little under the $15 that I want. But the average sale price for the month is $16.60, which is $1.60 over my $15 goal. As I've spoke about before, I am just changing up my business model a little bit. Moving into 2022, I will be primarily sourcing items that are I can receive a profit after fees of $30 or higher. So a lot of the things that I picked up at the bins and the challenge wouldn't make the cut in 2022 as I move forward. Hopefully that will allow me to make more money. Even if I listed the same amount of things, that would be awesome because I'd be making more money per item. But in the meantime, I will have to, as I build my closet with those higher end pieces, I will have to continue to sell through the inventory that I do have. So that is my what sold video. If you're still hanging out with me, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment your highest listing item, highest sell of the week. Mine was, I didn't have too many big ones. It was the Joseph A. Banks blazer that I made $36 on. So in the future, that will be my lowest sell. So hope you have a good week. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.